Dr. Colleen.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Please pick one chit from the bowl.
It's 3.
If there was a zombie apocalypse and you could save only 2 professors, who would you save?
I would save Anzar and I would save Dr. Wakar.
I guess I would be paralyzed and probably picking my 2 neighbors, right? So Wakar and Christy.
This is number 5.
In which other teacher's class would you like to enroll even for a day and why?
Interesting question, I would say.
There's a course that Ayaz Kayani is offering called Ethics of AI. I'm very interested in that course.
Perhaps a performance class, right? So I guess one class by Munira Batul, who is sitting across the pod.
The things that I've heard about Marcelo's class, I think that's one of the things that I would like to explore. He teaches about Brazilian history.
Number 1.
If you could pass on any wisdom to the graduating students, what would you share?
Don't take shortcuts. Shortcuts may seem tempting. They may seem to be leading to some temporary payoff, but in the long run, they don't pay off.
Remember your own flaws and your own weaknesses whenever you are angry at someone.
6.
So many students admire you. How do you make those connections?
Sometimes I fail, but I try to make classes as interactive as possible.
By being real.
I usually also show some memes that make the content more interesting and more fun. Empathy. Whenever I saw them struggling, I could relate that to my own struggle, so I think that helps creating a bond.
8.
What is your favorite way to celebrate the last class of the semester?
I'm just coming from one.
Mark the end of the semester in a low-key fashion by having a conversation with students on some overarching sense they have from the course.
In the class that I just had, a student gave me a cupcake and she had everyone come to the front of the class and take a photograph, so that was interesting.
Number 4.
If you could switch lives with anyone from any era or industry, who would you choose?
Probably I would switch life with a craftsman, so a carpenter or a plumber.
I think I would like to be a peasant in the Indian subcontinent when the first Mughal emperor started ruling over India.
I believe that no one's life is more interesting or less interesting than anyone other's, so I'll probably pick my own.
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.